Namaste everybody. How are you all? Hope everything is fine. So children, this week we are going to have fun with craft. Alright. So today's topic is paper tearing. Now someone would think, what weird topic is it? Paper tearing. What big deal in tearing a paper? But children, we are not going to tear paper randomly. Okay, we are going to tear it in particular manner. Okay, topic is paper tearing. It's not paper cutting. Paper cutting involves scissor. You are going to tear this paper with your fingers, only with fingers, which will help to increase your fine motor skills, the coordination between fingers, eyes and brain. Also it will help to increase our concentration. Alright, so today you are going to learn this paper tearing, which needs lot of concentration, which needs lot of patience. Alright, so next part of video I am going to show you how to do it. You have to observe it, do it and practice it. Okay, so here we go. Okay students, so for this paper tearing you can use any paper. Alright, you can use marble paper or craft paper or newspaper. The paper which I am using is craft paper. Okay, so the very first thing, you have to draw any shape on this paper. If the shape is having straight lines, please don't use scale. Try to draw without scale. So this way we have drawn a shape. Okay, now what we have to do is, this extra paper first of all will tear, so it won't disturb. Okay, now look at this. What you have to do, pay attention towards the instructions. Left thumb you have to keep on the line, exactly on the line. Alright, and with right fingers start tearing it. See, keep it on the line and tear little bit, very little. Don't tear a big portion. Go down, tear little bit, go down, tear little bit. This is how you have to tear. The whole focus should be on the line. Alright, try not to tear it inside the line. Also a big gap should not remain. Can you see the edge? It is very crooked, which is alright, because we are not cutting with a scissor, so we will not get straight edge. It will be crooked. So this way you have to tear little, which needs a lot of patience. Alright, now what I'll do, I will complete this and you just have a look. So this is how the square is cut. Same way you can cut different shapes like a circle. Now here I have used marble paper. Okay, whichever shape you want you can draw and cut. Okay, so this is how you are going to tear the paper. Alright, and then what you have to do, reverse side you can apply glue and stick these shapes in your craft book. Alright, so children, you must have seen how to do it. Okay, so follow the instructions and do it, and you can tear as many shapes as you want. Once you finish tearing all these shapes, with the glue you have to stick all these shapes in your craft book. Okay, but children, if your creativity is knocking your mind, you know what, instead of sticking these shapes normally, you can arrange them as a design. Alright, or maybe you can collaborate all these shapes and make it into a object. For example, one big rectangle, one semicircle, two circles can make a car, vehicle. I mean, I'm just giving you idea. You can do your better way. Alright, so let's see who will do creative way. Goodbye.